Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pork tenderloin. Preparing pork tenderloin starts with patting it dry and seasoning it generously on all sides. This creates a great crust. Preheat a heavy skillet over medium-high heat with a high smoke point oil like grapeseed or avocado. Carefully place your seasoned tenderloin in the hot skillet, searing it for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until it develops a beautiful golden brown crust. This initial step locks in flavor and moisture, setting the stage for a delicious meal. After searing, transfer your tenderloin to a preheated oven, set at exactly 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Roast the pork for approximately 10 to 20 minutes. This duration varies based on the thickness of your specific cut. Crucially, use a reliable meat thermometer to ensure the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit for safe and perfectly juicy results. Achieving this temperature ensures your pork is cooked through, but remains incredibly tender. Once your tenderloin reaches the ideal internal temperature, carefully remove it from the oven and place it on a clean cutting board. It is very important to loosely tent the meat with aluminum foil, allowing it to rest undisturbed for 5 to 10 minutes. This essential resting period permits the internal juices to redistribute evenly throughout the entire cut. Consequently, your pork will remain exceptionally moist and tender when you slice and serve it. You can easily elevate your pork tenderloin with a few simple additions. Create a quick pan sauce by deglazing your skillet with a little chicken broth and whisking in a pat of butter, using all those flavorful drippings. Fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme added during searing infuse incredible aroma and taste into the meat. Alternatively, a simple spice rub of garlic powder, smoked paprika, and brown sugar applied before cooking adds a wonderful sweet and savory crust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.